Good morning students. I am once again here for you for your online classes. Now student, in our last lecture what we done? We finished our explanation. The explanation of which thing? Chapter. That is the chapter number 6. What is the chapter name? Food and nutrition. That is the chapter name. Now student, in this chapter, in the last lecture we done a quick revision, means short revision na? We revise all the things. I orally explain you whole chapter, and between the explanation we also done which thing? Reading of the chapter. We done? Yes. Okay. Now I also told you have to read the chapter at home in front of your parents or anybody, those are elder than you. You have to read the chapter once, twice, thrice. Okay. Now after that what we do? Today we write which thing? That is the tough word, means new word of this chapter. Clear? We start new words of chapter number 6. Clear? Now start writing new words. This is the number 1. Okay. The number 1 is nutrients. And you, now student, how you write? Once again I explain you how you start the writing. First, on the first line, before that you have to write the date on which date you start writing this chapter. You also fill the index page. Okay, write date, chapter name and heading, new words. Like this way you have to fill the which page? Index page. After that, on the page you have to write date, chapter 6, food and nutrition. Between these two things you have to leave one line. Again you leave here one line and write heading, new words. And when you start writing new words, so you should write first letter small, don't write capital. You have to write first letter small. Okay. Now nutrients, NUTRIENTS. You also know about that. What is the meaning of nutrients? Nutrients are the substances, those are present in our food. Clear? What is the meaning of nutrients? Nutrients are the substances, those are present in the food. Second, nourishment. NOURISHMENT. How you spell nourishment? NOURISHMENT. Once again, NOURISHMENT. Nourishment. Okay, means this thing keeps our skin healthy. Means whatever we have in our daily routine, that food also give us water, little bit water. That water keeps our body nourished, shiny. थोड़ी सी नमी बना के रखता है वो खाना. Okay. With the help of the nutrients, our body get nourishment. Now next, start. STARCH. Now once again I explain you what is the meaning of starch. When I explain you carbohydrates, that time this thing I explain you. What I explain you? We divide carbohydrates in the two parts. Now the first is sugar and second one is starch, means little bit sugar also present in the food item, those are give us carbohydrate, and some starch is also there, means these food item give us little bit sugar and starch. Starch basically tasteless, but the color of the starch is white. When we grind the wheat, जब हम गेहूं को पिसवाते हैं तो what is the color of that flour? क्या होता है आटे का रंग? White. तो that white color is the starch. That flour is the starch, full with the starch. Now rice, when we boil the rice, जब हम चावलों को उबालते हैं, okay, तो on the surface, upper surface, fill with the white water. Okay, when we boil the water in the open pot, जब हम तपेली में उसको पतीली में उबालते हैं तो their surface is covered with white water, means water become white, means whatever the starch present in the rice, it come out and mix with the water. Okay, so that is the starch. जब हम चावलों को उबालते हैं तो ऊपर एक लेयर बन जाती है वाइट कलर की, जब आप ओपन पतीली में उसको उबालोगे तो वो क्या होता है? स्टार्च होता है. क्लियर? वाइट कलर का. तो मीन्स स्टार्च एंड शुगर. राइस, छोटे बच्चे भी चावल बहुत चाव से खाते हैं ना, क्योंकि उनको कुछ मीठा या अच्छा स्वाद आता है उसमें. क्लियर? तो दिस बोथ थिंग्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द कार्बोहाइड्रेट. दो फूड आइटम गिव अस कार्बोहाइड्रेट. क्लियर? Now the fourth number is warm. W-A-R-M. Warm means गर्म. Okay, when we have fats and proteins, basically the fats, whatever we have, that food item keeps our body warm. हमारी बॉडी में गर्मी देता है, मीन्स एनर्जी देता है. That fight to the atmosphere. Now fifth number, constipation. C-O-N-S-T-I-P-A-T-I-O-N. Now the number 6. Number 6 is temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Temperature. You know about what is the meaning of temperature? Okay. Now digestion. D-I-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. Digestion. D-I-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. Digestion. Now next, 8 number, S-A-L-I-V-A. Saliva. You know about the saliva? These are secreted by the salivary glands, and those are present inside the mouth. and with the help of the saliva our food whatever we have that become moist and soft. Means saliva mix with our food. When we enter our food in the mouth, saliva is there, it mix with our food and make our food moist and soft. Now the 9 number. The 9 number is community. COMMUNITY. Community means so many people comes together, they make a community. Gathered together means so many people, एक साथ लोगों का इकट्ठा होना. Then 10 number. Now the 10 number is meal. Whatever you have in your daily routine, that is your meal. जो आप खाते हो वो आपका भोजन है, that is the meal. Now the next is charity. 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 Now the 12 number is now students, once again we quick revise this 11. After that I write 12 number. The first number is, here we are writing which thing? New words of chapter number 6. The chapter number 6 is food and nutrition. Clear? Now the new words, how you write, I explain you beginning of this lecture. Now the first number is nutrients. You know about the nutrients. Nourishment. How you spell nourishment? NOURSHIMENT. Nourishment. Now starch. Next is starch. 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 Now WARM. Warm. Fourth number is WARM. Warm. Now the 5 number is constipation. CONSTIPATION. 6 number is temperature. 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 Now the 7 number is digestion. 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 Now 8 number saliva. 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 Now the 9 number is community. COMMUNITY. Community means when the lots of people comes together. जब एक जगह बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठे होते हैं तो they make a community. Now meal. That is the food whatever you have in your daily routine, in the lunch, in the dinner, that is your meal. Meal is a balanced diet. Clear? All the nutrients in your plate. Whatever you have in the lunch and dinner, so it make a meal. Now the charity. CHARITY. Charity means when somebody has a lots of things and the next one have no, means one person have a lots of money or a lots of other things. If that people give that thing to another. Those are the needy. So it means that is the charity. Now look here student, this is your new words. Okay, if you want to take a screenshot to you, take, otherwise I send you PDF or the picture of this board or my notebooks. Okay, I send you all the things related to this chapter. Now write number 12. Number 12 is preservatives. Preservatives. Freezing. 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 Now I am writing here preservatives, means when you want to eat something in whole year, means we get different types of food items in the different season. If you want to eat mango in the winter season, you got no, because we eat mango in the summer season only, because that time the mango tree give us that fruit, not in the other season. Okay, we have seasonal fruits. हम हर मौसम में अलग अलग तरह के फल खाते हैं, क्लियर। लेकिन हमें कभी आम को हम संभाल के रखना चाहें या पके हुए आम का कुछ बना के रख लें तो हम पूरे साल बना के खा सकते हैं उसको। तो प्रिजर्व, that process is called preservation. Okay, preservation means if you want to any food item keep with you long time, means 1 year, in whole year if you want to eat any food item, so we should preserve them through the some preservatives. कुछ चीज़ों को उसमें मिलाकर हम साल भर उसे रख के खा सकते हैं, क्लियर। लाइक अचार मम्मी पूरे साल के लिए बनाती है। योर मम्मी प्रिपेयर अचार और मुरब्बा, दिस थिंग। हाउ दे प्रिपेयर? दे मिक्स शुगर, नॉट वाटर, शुगर, सॉल्ट। इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक मुरब्बा, अगर आपको मुरब्बा बनाना है तो कैसे बनाएंगे? यू मिक्स शुगर विद दी आंवला एंड प्रिपेयर्ड इट। नाउ इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक अचार, अगर आपकी मम्मी पिकल बनाती है, अचार बनाती है, तो ही ऐड इन द रॉ मैंगो सम सॉल्ट, चिली एंड अदर स्पाइसेस, मिक्स विद देम एंड प्रिजर्व इट। उसे कुछ दिनों के लिए ढक के आराम से रख देते हैं। तो वी यूज डेट पिकल इन होल ईयर, हम पूरे साल खाते हैं। तो वी एड दोज थिंग इन दी फूड आइटम फॉर द प्रिजर्वेशन। वी शुड टेल देम preservatives, and the preservation is a process. The preservative are the sub things we mix with the food, clear? Now freezing, we prepare make some food item through the freezing, means we prepare them, after that we freeze them, means we maintain the temperature for some फूड आइटम्स। कुछ फूड आइटम्स के लिए हम टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करते हैं, तो दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड फ्रीजिंग, क्लियर। नाउ The next is next new word is 14 number roughage. ROUPHAGE. This roughage I also explain you. We get the roughage from the some fruits and some vegetables and also the some food items. Now these are the dietary substances. Clear? We have it before the lunch or dinner, or before the meal or after the meal, because these food items help our body to digestion. Clear? Now the next is number is langar, LANGAR, langar. This is the name of the community meal. Clear, student? Now your new words finished here. How you write, I explain you about that. Clear? We wrote 15 new words of this chapter. After that we start our textbook. Exercise given in the page number 39 and 40. Clear? We complete it. Now student, open the page number 39 in your textbook. We already completed this question in the last lecture, but once again we do it. Clear? Open the page number 39. That is the question number 1. Sorry, A. Question number A. That is the book. Page number 39. Tick the correct option. Sentence given. Now the A, B, C, 3 options given. Number 1 is fruits and vegetables are rich source of. Fruits and vegetables are rich source of. 3 options given. A is carbohydrate, B is fats, now C is vitamins. Now the vegetable and fruits are the rich source of. You have to take the option number C, vitamins. Now the number 2. What is given in the number 2? Which of the following are known as bodybuilding food? Means which types of food items are called bodybuilding food? 3 options given. The name of the nutrients here given. Fats, minerals or protein. What is the correct answer? See, once again I read for you. Which of the following, number 2, which of the following are known as bodybuilding foods? Fats? No, because the fats are the energy giving foods. Minerals? Minerals are the protective food. Now the proteins. Proteins are the bodybuilding food. Clear? Take the option number C. Proteins. Now, number 3. The digestion process begin in the. What is given in the number 3? The digestion process begins in the. Means from which part of which organ start your digestion process? First is mouth, B number is stomach. Now the C is food pipe. I explain you na. When I explain you the digestion process, so how you start your digestion process? First you take a bite inside of your mouth. Means from the mouth your digestion process begin. What is the A number? Mouth. So the students, this is the correct answer. Now the stomach. Why we not take the stomach? Because in the stomach our food become in the liquid form. Some digestive juices is there mixed with our food, and our food become in the liquid form. Now the food pipe only transfer the food in the stomach. The another name of the food pipe is esophagus. Food pipe only transfer our food from the mouth to stomach. So the correct answer is mouth. Pick the option number A, mouth. Now the fourth number. Langar is usually organized in a temple. Three options given. What is given in the fourth number? Langar is usually organized in. Where? From where? A temple, church or Gurudwara. The langar organized in the Gurudwara, because in the temples Hindus organize bhandaras. On the which occasion or on the which festival? That is the Navratri. Last day of the Navratri, Hindus organized a bhandara. Okay, in the temple or any other place. And church not organize anything. Now the Gurudwara, Sikh community basically organize langars, and only the community people not have their lunch there. Needy peoples or any other religious people also have their lunch there. Clear? Now what is the right answer? C, Gurudwara. Now the fifth number. The midday meal scheme is launched in. The midday meal scheme is launched in temples, mosques or schools. I explain. This is the scheme of the government's scheme, and the some some benefits. Those are the needy peoples or needy students or needy students. They have their lunch in the school and got their knowledge also. So the Sarkar launched this, our government launched this scheme for the needy and poor students. Now the right answer of this question is schools. Now student, open the page number 40. Now the question number B, we direct write in the notebook with the question answer. Okay, don't write complete the question number B. Now open the question number C on the page number 40. Clear? Open this C number on the page number 40. Clear? What is given? This side the famous dish of the states, and now on the next side you have to write the name of the state. Clear? This is the dishes, and now this side we write the name of the state. Means famous dish of dhokla is the famous dish of which state? Now the B number is pav bhaji. The C number is dal bati. Now the D number is idli dosa. Now fifth number is momos. The name of the dish here given, you have to write the name of the state. Clear? Now I write only answer directly. This side already given. In the textbook we have to write the answer on the next side. Clear? Dhokla and thepla. This is the famous dish of Gujarat. Now write question number C. Gujarat. Gujarat. Dhokla and thepla is a famous dish of Gujarat. Clear? Now second is pav bhaji. Pav bhaji is a famous dish of Maharashtra. 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 Number 3, dal bati. Dal bati is a famous dish of Rajasthan. Now the fourth number is idli dosa. Idli dosa is a famous dish of Tamil Nadu. Now the fifth number is momos. Momos is a famous dish of Mizoram. Now student, your question number C finished here. One side the name of the dish given, and you have to write the name of the state. Another side. Clear? Now D. Question number D. Write the name of the organs of the digestive system through which food passes in our body. Means step by step you have to write the name of the organ those are participating in the digestion process. Clear? Now first is given food in the mouth. Through the hand, first we have a little bite of food that enter in our mouth, means food in mouth. Now the next, that is the empty option bracket. You have to write the name of the organ. What is the next organ? Though that is the participating in the digestion process. What is given? Only F given there. You have to write the name of the next organ. Clear? Food in mouth. Now after that, when our teeth doing their work and also saliva mixed with your food, now the help of your tongue, your food shifted into the which part? Food in esophagus. OESOPHAGUS. That is the food part. Now your food reach in the which organ? Esophagus. Now the next is S given here. Which word given? S. Now you have to write after that our food reach in the which organ? Stomach. Clear? Our food here start with the help of the digestive juices, our food here become in the liquid form. Clear? Now the next organ is what is given only as given here. Now after the stomach, our food reach into the which part? Small intestine. What happened here in the small intestine? Now in the stomach, our food become semi-solid, in the semi-solid form. Now after that, our food shifted into the small intestine. Now here our food become in the liquid form. Now those are the nutrients present in our food that is absorbed here. Means small pores present in the intestine, in our small intestine, those are absorbed the nutrients and water also. Clear? And that nutrient mix with our blood and reach to the all parts of our body. Now the next is what is given? N. Right here large intestine. After the small intestine, our food reach in the small intestine. What happened here? Whatever the waste part are some minerals also present in our food that is absorbed here. Means large intestine absorb the minerals and water also. And those are the waste part, that is the pass out through the ends. Clear? This is the digestion process. I also explained you what I told you that time in the on the explanation time. I told you that you have to learn the name of the organs. Those are the involved in the digestion process. You have to learn the name of that part is one by one. Clear? Means mouth, after that esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Clear? Now student, your exercise completed here. Now on the next lecture we write question answer and some extra questions also. So what you do, once again you read that exercise and question number B that is given in the textbook, we write in the directly in the notebook. Clear? With the question answer. Clear students? Now you also read the chapter at home. I am again and again tell you have to read the chapter at home. Clear? Now I finish my lecture. Bye bye.